What if I told you you could pick up your phone and know that you're about to make money? No matter where you're at in the world, no matter what you're doing, be able to pick up your phone and make money. And feel confident that you could make thousands of dollars just from your phone. Then know another 2 to 3 times more what you're currently making could be made. If you had a proven roadmap to destroy the way that you currently are making money and have the support that gives you bulletproof confidence to make it work for you, and I know that might sound crazy, but would you be opposed to me showing you that? And that it could be possible for you right now. Watch this video and I'm going to show you how you can start making money from your phone, way more money than you are right now, with less time having to be used to make it. This could be done as soon as next week. No matter what industry you're in or what experience level you have, it can be done. I'm Mark Wilson, the founder of Digital Freedom Movement, what thousands of people worldwide are calling the new way of living, the live free way. I will give you a quick look inside of how we have helped people from all over the world, from all walks of life, make their first sale online, and so many of them have been able to scale up to 10,000 plus per month from right there. I'm going to give you a quick look under the hood of how we have done just that, why our model is Mentorship First, and how we show up every single day just like that. So let's dive into it. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through a few different things. Starting off with our click-by-click training that's going to give you everything that you need to know to set up your business and start making that money and leveraging your phone to make those thousands of dollars, to be able to travel the world, to be able to make money from the beach, the ski hill, wherever you deem possible, even your couch at home, hanging out with your kids. So first off, we're going to go through what happens as soon as you jump in. One of the first things that we do is we have a very tight-knit community, and we really want to make sure that we're setting the tone when people first come in, because like I said, Mentorship First is our motto. So what we first do is we celebrate you as soon as you start coming into the course. Before you even dive into anything else, we want to make sure that you're hitting it with a bang. And then we have a pre-course that essentially sets you up with everything that you need to kind of get going. We just have you going through, filling out some surveys of kind of what your goals are, what you're working with right now, and how we're going to make these things work for you, as well as some future planning of what you want your ideal life to look at. And then we go over how we're going to best help you with our mentorship and just some other videos, all the way through to booking your business builder session. This is where we customize a plan specifically for you. Okay. So from there, we have 3 main modules, and they're each very, very well scripted. We're setting you up for your freedom. We're upgrading you and optimizing your business. And then we're going to get you to those 5 figures. And each one of these modules has a numerous amount of videos that are click by click, easy to follow. So once you come in and once you book that call, you're going to set up your first 30 days. So we give you a nice little outline. So it's very, very easy to walk through and get you to that success. And then we'll have you setting up your business and with lots of different videos. And then from there, you're going to go on to setting up your back end, getting into advertising online, preparing yourself for success, setting you up those sales funnels. We already have pre-set up sales funnels for you, running your first ad, and then the daily methods of operation. So that you all get set up for exactly what you need to do to be running your business in here. And then we're going to be starting to shift gears and taking your business up a notch, where we're printing those thousands of dollars every single month, okay? And then we're going to get into some branding, scaling your advertisement, so you don't just make hundreds of dollars a day, making thousands of dollars a day, marketing organic, and then advanced daily methods of operation. And then we get you all the way down to making those 5 figures per month and these advanced trainings from here. So these are 7-figure game plans and skills that we're going to give you in here. And then you get all the way through to the end where you can get a certificate where you're going to be certified as an affiliate marketer. So this is our click-by-click training. You can see all of the different modules having lots and lots of training in them, giving you everything that you need to be successful, and then as well as the helpful hands along the way that you've actually retained the right information so you are setting yourself up for success. Okay, for me, this is where it gets super exciting because there's no other platform that I know that has this kind of level of communication and involvement with their community. The reason why we do this is simply because we want to see you succeed, and we know the X factor for success isn't click by click training, it's the actual being able to get questions answered. So in this group, it's kind of like a Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp chat, but it's super, super organized, and you get access to 7-figure earners, 6-figure earners, people that are steps ahead of you in the journey, people that maybe are starting at the exact same time, so you get to mastermind with them. I think that is the ultimate cool part about this, is you get access to people that are like-minded, that are on the journey that you're on, and be able to celebrate you. I think that is one of those super, super cool things that in so many different aspects of our lives, we just don't have people that are celebrating us and don't have people that are cheering us on. And when you don't have that, it becomes a lot harder. But here, not only do you get celebrated, not only do you get cheered on, but you get the help from people that have already had the success that's going to fast track your success. So in here, you can see that we have live trainings. We got different engagement groups, so it really helps with your organic reach and getting certain messaging going on the post and the advertisements that you're doing. We have business questions, so anytime that you get stuck in an area, you have access to people to get those answers really, really quickly, so you don't have to wait or you don't have to lose motivation. None of those kind of things. You get those questions answered, and answered by coaches, answered by people that have had this success, which is, I think, the most ultimate thing, because there's so many people that give bad advice out there, and we make sure that that never happens here. Then you get to just everyday chit chat, so you get to just tune in and be around people that are on that journey that you're on. You get accountability to make sure that you're going the right direction. You get to mastermind different ideas and trainings and all that kind of stuff in here. You get to have wins celebrated with you. You get all of those kind of things all happening. And that's the ultimate cool part about this. And this is why I love that we have this feature. Is just you get all the different aspects that you need to succeed, and you get so much access to the people that are going to help you along the way. The next thing is where the X factor for our training really, really is. Now, this is the X factor, all right? And this is where you're going to get jump start to that success that you desire. And as you heard from me saying in that last part there, is we go live every single day. It's not like we go live and we just talk about nothing, or we're just rah motivation kind of thing. Nothing like that. We actually help people. All right, you have those business questions and maybe a detailed text response isn't going to be good enough. This is where we're going to fundamentally show you physically, because so many people are those physical learners that without actually seeing the step-by-step process being put into place, you won't be able to go past that barrier. Any of those aspects that you're running into that's holding you back from your success, we will help on these trainings. Not only that, is we'll review your business and see any of the holes that are preventing you from getting to the success that you desire. We'll go over the different advertisements and the content that you're putting out there that will help you be able to reach a larger audience and be able to hit those heights that you truly want. Be able to go viral, be able to create that audience that's going to keep paying you over and over and over again. That's what we do here. So you can see every single day we go live. Every single day, one of the coaches inside the community is doing some kind of video, helping in some kind of way. And that's how we are able to help people in so many different ways, really fast track that success. I get so excited in sharing this because I haven't ever seen this in any other platform. And this is what I know has helped every single one of those people that have been able to make their first sale, their 10th sale, be able to make that happen, is this kind of mentorship. So this is why I get so excited. So I hope this helped give you clarity of knowing the pathway that you're going to be on to be able to make that success happen for yourself. That pathway that's going to help you start making money from your phone. That pathway where you can start creating that life that you truly desire. Anyways, I will see you in the inside. I look forward to mentoring you and seeing you on these kind of calls.